Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to add a token on Phantom Wallet. So for that you have to open your web browser or open your mobile app, and uh, after coming to a browser you have to search for phantom.com, the official website, and you just have to log in to your account. And on Phantom you don't need a manual add tokens to view them in your wallet. When you receive tokens, they will automatically appear on your home screen. Phantom supports a variety of networks, meaning it can display all assets on this network. All you need to do is grab your wallet address and deposit the funds. So let's take Solana based tokens like USDT, USDC, Bonk, PYTH, WIN, and many others as an example. To receive these tokens, the following steps will help you. So first of all, you have to select receive on the home screen of your wallet and select Solana to copy your receive address. Then paste your Phantom Solana address into the send field and of other account or wallet and send the tokens of your destination address. And to process is the same. This process is the same for all the networks that Phantom supports. So while this is a process for Phantom, not all wallets and exchanges operate the same way. Before sending tokens to a different wallet or exchange account, ensure that the receiving platform supports the token, or you may risk losing the tokens. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.